Welcome to Ixxat Energy by HMS Networks. Let's have a look at the SG-gateway and the first steps to work with it. Additional information and downloads are available on our website ixxat.com/energy. By default, the DHCP client on the SG-gateway is activated. If you want to give it a static address, you need to download the Ixxat IP configurator to set up the IP settings manually. This tool will scan your network for all connected SG gateways regardless of their configured IP address. The SG gateway is separated in two different halves. The basic connectors with Ethernet port, reset button, microSD card slot, LEDs, power connector and serial connectors on one side. And the additional connectivity with industrial field bus communication ports, I/O, 4-port switch or cellular modem on the other side. Please be aware that the 4-port switch and cellular modem cannot be combined. If the cellular modem is available, the SIM card can be entered on the backside. The 4-port switch version enables connectivity to the second Ethernet network with a different IP address range. To set up the SG, we connect our computer with its primary Ethernet port and supply it with 24 volts connected to VCC and ground. With the Ixxat IP configurator, the device is found after clicking the scan button. Enter valid IP settings. Your computer can reach and apply the IP settings to the SG gateway by clicking the configure button. After a few seconds, a window pops up that requests username and password. Both is Ixxat by default. The Connect button opens the SG gateway's web interface with your standard browser. This can also be done manually by entering the SG gateway's IP address you just configured into any web browser. To log in for the first time, enter Ixxat in lower cases as username and password. Then you must create your own password according to the password rules. To change the login data or to set up different user rights, please see the user management section in the general settings. The first page of the web interface contains all device information, like firmware, version and so on. You can also see all data points values here, updated each second. To update the firmware, go to the Update section. Select a CAP file from your local drive and click the Start Update button. This process may take between 1 to 8 minutes, ending with a pop-up message containing a link to the login page. A configured CAP file can be loaded in the same way and usually takes 1 or 2 minutes. Please keep in mind that a configuration that contains different IP settings changes the IP settings of the SG gateway. This means that when the new configuration is loaded, you have to enter the new IP settings in your browser to access the SG gateway. So far so good. Now your SG gateway is ready to go. Thanks for watching. You are very welcome to watch out for new videos.